Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, we're unboxing the Meta Quest 3. Okay, so this is the Meta Quest 3. Really excited about this product. We've got the Meta Quest 2, which is a brilliant VR headset. The Meta Quest 3, hopefully it steps things up a massive level. Maybe you've seen some other videos on YouTube or other platforms going through the unboxing, some of the specs. So I won't cover too much of the specs of the headset. They are covered on other videos, but I will put links below to our blog post and to the Meta website where you can buy the headset from. So this is the 128GB model, is the $479.99 version. You can get the slightly bigger version. We've gone for that one. I don't think we will need, hopefully I don't regret saying this, but I don't think we'll need the larger storage option, and it is cheaper. So yeah, we've gone for this one. So what we'll do in this video, we'll do a quick unboxing, show what you get inside the box, what's included. And in future videos, we're doing usage and our kind of overall thoughts on the headset. So mainly it's myself that uses the VR headset in the household. Oliver does use it as well quite a bit. Matilda tends to use it sometimes, but she is only 7, so really shouldn't be using it from an age perspective. Oliver being 10, he can. I think the guidance has changed on that recently. But less talking, let's get on with it, and let's get inside this box. Okay, so I've got 3 angles going. I've got this one here, the main camera. I've got one on the desk here, you can probably see that on there, apologies about that. And I've got one up here as well, just to give you kind of the best possible angles and view of the actual unboxing. So you can get a real good sense of what you get in there, what it looks like. So first of all, it comes in a really simple box. You've obviously got the headset and the controller shown on the front with the 128GB versions there. Not much more in the box, just details what you get inside the box, which is a Meta Quest 3 headset, standard facial interface, which is pre-installed, it says in brackets, 2 Meta Quest Touch Plus controllers, 2 wrist straps, which are pre-installed, power adapter, charging cable, and 2 AA batteries, those being for the touch controllers. So we've got some cardboard tabs here. And here. So it's then in a sleeve. Oops, the headset fell out. It's in a sleeve and the headset's inside. So really simple. It's got a QR code here saying scan to start. Smells nice actually. So you got the 2 controllers, which I've heard other people say that they're more grippy. I disagree with that. I don't think they are. They're still quite slippy. So if you are someone that's got some grip controllers for a Meta Quest 2 or other controllers, I would suggest you probably need the same thing. They do have the 2 pull-out tabs there and there, obviously for activating the batteries. And then the main piece, or the main part itself, which I'll just pop there for a second. And then in the back, we've got a small accessories box. So I'll just place that down on the floor for now. We'll just have a really quick look in the accessories box. As you expect, USB-C to USB-C cable, and the power block itself. There is some paperwork inside as well, which will be the safety and warranty guide and the Welcome to Meta Quest 3 guide. It's got some information there regarding putting it on, how to wear it, how to charge it, how to use the controllers, and the other side is in French. So don't need them for now, I don't think. Okay, so everything's out here on the desk. So first impression straight away, it feels, I know it's not lighter. I know it's not lighter because I've seen other videos where they've weighed it and it does confirm the weight on the website, but it feels lighter. Now, I know people have compared the facial interface and the size. Straight away, it's definitely smaller. You can tell straight away it's smaller. It's like something's missing. Obviously it's not missing, but it is definitely smaller than the Meta Quest 2. We'll do a comparison at some point just to show you the difference. I'll go grab that in a minute. But straight away, it's definitely smaller. It feels lighter, and I think it's because of the length of it. The other one's obviously got a lot more kind of, I guess, depth to the headset. So it kind of feels like it's probably the balance of it. So straight away, that does feel lighter. It has got the camera and the depth sensor. As you can see there, it's got the cameras and depth sensor in the front of it. I think I would have to be a lot more careful with this. It feels like if I put it down, it would scratch the cameras. It's probably got quite toughened protection on there, but I'm probably will be quite wary of that. Underneath, the volume rocker, the 3-pin charging. You've got the IPD dial, which is really easy to move actually. I thought it would be harder than that. You've got that. You've got the 3.5mm jack on the right hand side of the headset, and then the USB-C port on the left hand side of the headset. Power button being there, and obviously the 2 additional cameras on the bottom. The controllers, again, feel lighter because there's less to them, and they probably are lighter without the ring up there. They feel great in the hand again. They probably do feel slightly better in terms of the ergonomics and how they fit in the hand compared to the Quest 2. But very, very similar. I've not used the Pro controllers, but as other people that have said, they are very, very similar design, style and shape to the Quest Pro controllers. But straight away, you can feel that they're going to be great to use. There was nothing really wrong with the Quest 2 controllers, but they feel great. You've got the IR that's built into the infrared that's built into the controllers that the camera detects, so you can see where the controls are, but to the naked eye you obviously can't see them. So that's it. Obviously you've got the power connector, which thinking back is a slightly different shape to the Quest 2, I believe, but again it's just a standard charging block, and it's got an 18 watt charger. So you probably couldn't use that for fast charging your phone if you wanted to multi-use that. And then again, it's a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable. It's great that it comes in there. Again, they've changed the USB-C port from the side of the actual device, which I think it was on the right, was it? But anyway, it's changed and it's now into the actual left-hand side where the head strap connects. Okay, so I'm going to try the headset on for the first time. I do wear glasses, so now you have the adjustable facial interface that does pop out, and I think, looking at the instructions which are on the back of there are some buttons on the inside, just on the inside of the headset. I'll try and get that best shot I can on there, that you press and then pull it out. So let me just take this piece of cardboard off here that comes on, just there, and I will pull those out. Okay, so there's actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, apologies if you can't, the actual front of the interface sits into the headset, obviously the first bit, and it's kind of an outer sleeve that slides out. So if you grab it too hard, you actually feel like you're going to pull the whole interface off. So it's quite easy to do. You kind of just press it in and it just kind of just moves really easily away. So if I just do it on this side, yeah, so it's kind of press in and you kind of grab the foam and pull the foam out. It feels like you need to grab the whole piece of it together and pull, but it's not. You need to push the button in, and grab the foam, and it slides out. I think I'm on the outer setting now, so I'll do that, push that in. Yeah, so you pull push the button, and then it kind of just, it's quite fiddly actually, I have to say. Well, it feels fiddly, or I'm doing it wrong. But anyway, press the button, and the outer bit, just like, outer sleeve just slides away. And I think if you did pull that too hard, it will pull the whole interface off. So I'm just going to try it on. I've not done anything with the lens covers are still on in there. I'm just going to try it on and see what the actual headset feels like on. You've got the 2 adjustable straps on the 2 sliders on the back that adjust, which are quite hard to move, but it might be easy once it's on, so I'm going to put it on. Bearing in mind I've got glasses on. Okay, so first impression, much lighter. You can feel that the weight is, well, it feels light. I know it's not lighter, but it does feel lighter. The straps are quite tough on the side to adjust there. You do have the Velcro there, which you can then tighten up. I can see a little bit of leakage under there to start with. I do have a big nose though, to be fair, so it could be that, and I probably just need to adjust the headset anyway. But straight away it feels lighter. It obviously is closer to your face, and it feels closer to your face. It doesn't feel like you've got that kind of, the depth hanging off your face. First impressions of the strap, better than the MetaQuest 2 strap, but I think only time will tell, just spending a couple of hours probably to start with on the headset. Okay, so I just want to confirm a couple of things, just because I made a bit of a pig's ear of doing of adjusting the facial interface. So at the moment I've got it on, it's kind of inside, there are 4 dots inside showing you kind of which setting you've got it on. I've got it on number 4 currently. It is quite easy to do. You push the button and it slides. It's just feels a little bit fiddly. I think it's because you kind of can't do both at the same time. but you would need to get it kind of to do it really slickly. So that's currently on 4 there. So it does slide up and down quite easily. It's just a little bit fiddly. And I've noticed once you've got it into the position you need, as long as you're careful with it, it does stay in that position as well when you put it onto your face. So I've got it on number 4 there, on that side. And I've got it on number 4 on that side as well. I feel like they could have made that a little easier to do, I don't know. I think it feels like you're going to pull the interface off when you're doing it. So, I don't know, maybe it's one you get used to. But really easy to put, take on and off. Straight over the glasses, straight on. As I said, I think I mentioned previously, I am getting a little bit light leakage here where the nose is. But yeah, I need to see what it's like once you start playing, once the light comes from the actual screens itself. But first impressions, really comfy, really easy to put on. Just those facial adjustment positions, a little bit fiddly. But yeah, feels so far so good. Okay, all done and dusted for part 1, video 1 of this mini series for the Meta Quest 3. So first video were just first impressions, trying it on, getting it out of the box, kind of just seeing what it will like and what you get in there. Next video will be me and Oliver giving things a go, trying things out. So I'm going to get this on charge now because it says to charge it for a little bit of time before you use it for the first time. I think it says it's around 2.5 hours to fully charge the battery. So we'll get it onto charge, get it ready to use. And the next video we'll go through the setup process. I'll show us going through the setup process. I won't take it through the boring steps, but just anything I found an issue I will highlight in there as well, and then just give it a go for the first time and see what that difference is with the Meta Quest 3, the major differences between the 2 and the 3. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It's been just tried to be a quick unboxing just to kind of show you what you get without going into too much detail. So if you found it enjoyable, found it informative, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a dislike, let us know in the comment section why. If you've got any questions about the headset, anything you think we should cover in the next video, anything at all like that, drop it in the comments section. We reply to all comments and questions. And if you want to watch the next video or any of our other videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.